Hi students, in today's class we'll discuss regarding two different three-phase connection, that is a star connection and delta connection. How the voltage and currents are going to vary when we are going to connect a load either in star or delta fashion, right? So first we'll consider a star connection, right? So star connection will be consisting the circuit diagram like this, right? So you can see here the loads are connected in star fashion, right? And the voltage is EMF, three different EMFs are connected to each other, that I have written here. A star connection is formed when the ends of three coils are joined together to a point 10 and the other ends are connected to line voltages. What are line voltages? EA, EB and EC, right? So each end of the load is connected to a different line voltage and all the remaining another ends are connected to a common point called N, which we are going to call it as a neutral point, isn't it, right? So here what we are going to do is wherever we are going to take this voltage, that is from this end to this end, one end of line voltage and neutral, one end of line voltage and neutral, one end of line voltage and neutral, then those voltages are called as phase voltage, right? So that I can write it as EAN, EBN, ECN. Voltage from A to N, voltage from B to N and voltage from C to N. Similarly, if I am going to calculate this voltage, that is from voltage A to B or voltage A to C or voltage B to C, these are called as what? Line voltages, right? So EAN, EBN, ECN are called as phase voltage, EB, EAB, EBC and ECE are called as what? Line voltages, right? So next we'll calculate the currents. Let me call this current as IA, this current as IB and this current as IC. The current flowing from terminal A, B and C are respectively IA, IB and IC, right? So one thing you can clearly observe here, right? So see here, whatever the current generated from line, the same current will be flowing through a phase, right? So whatever the current generated from line voltages, the same current will be flowing through the phase terminal. Hence what I can write is the line currents is equals to phase currents, that is IL equals to IPH, right? So ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಲೋಡ್ ಅದಾವು EAN, EBN and ECN, right? So ಅಂದ್ರೆ one end is line and another end is neutral, right? So there are three currents IA, IB and IC, right? So as whatever the current generated from line, the same current is flowing through the phase, hence we are going to write it as line current is equals to phase current, right? So ultimately what is the conclusion? In case of star connection, the currents remains same in line as well as phase. Only variation we can have is with respect to EMFs or voltage, right? So what is that difference? That difference is nothing but a 120-degree phase shift, right? So now what we will do is we will apply KVL for one loop, right? So let us consider one loop as let me call it as E or let me call it as A, B and N, right? So here current is flowing in this direction, here current is flowing in this direction and this voltage I can write it as EAB, right? So this is my neutral point, and this voltage will be EAN, and this voltage will be EBN. Always current will flow from higher potential to lower potential, and always current will flow from higher potential to lower potential. And this will be plus minus because we are applying KVL in this direction. See here, this is plus, same sign, then there will be change in polarity. This is minus and this is also minus, same sign, hence there will be change in polarity. Therefore I can write the equation as, right, so how EAB is equals to, or EAB minus EAN. Why minus? Because plus plus same sign, then there will be change in polarity, therefore I will get negative sign. Next, negative negative, same polarity, again I will get change in sign, that will be plus EBN equals to 0 according to KCL or KVL. All EMFs or summation of EMFs is equals to 0, right? So if I rewrite this equation, I will get it as what? EAB is equals to EAN minus EBN, right? So but we cannot have a negative vector because vector diagram. Therefore what we can do is we can make it, or we can consider it as plus, right? So we can consider it as plus, and we can write it as EAN plus of minus EBN. Now we will draw the vector diagram, right? So see here clearly, because it is very much important for the point of examination. This will be my EAN, this will be my EBN, this will be my ECN. All are separated by 120 degree, right? So what is the resultant here? It is the EAN plus of minus EBN, right? So but what I can have is here I have plus EBN, right? So in order to have minus EBN, what I need to do? Retrace this vector in the reverse direction. If this is EBN, then this will be minus EBN, isn't it, right? So now these two are just like two sides of a parallelogram. Then what will be their resultant, or what will be their summation? It will be a diagonal, right? So draw a parallel line like this and draw a parallel line like this. Why? Because if two lines are parallel, then their magnitudes are equal, right? So now what we can do is draw a perpendicular AC for the line OB. That I have written here. Draw a perpendicular line AC on OB, right? So now see here, this angle is 120 degree and this angle is 120 degree. But this resultant will be exactly divides, hence this will be 60 and this remaining will be 60, right? So now the resultant will exactly divides the angle, therefore this angle will be 30 degree, right? So now from the triangle OAC, andre from here, from the triangle OAC, this is my perpendicular because I have drawn the perpendicular. Cos 30 degree is equals to, right, adjacent divided by opposite. Adjacent side is OC and opposite side is OA. OC by OA, right? So but I don't know the value of OC, but instead what I know the value of entire OB, right? So OB is nothing but resultant. Resultant is EAB divided by 2, and this OA is EAN, and what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2, right? So now you can see here these two cancels, therefore I will get what? EAB is equals to root 3 into EAN. But what is EAB? It is a line voltage. What is EAN? It is a phase voltage. Therefore, the conclusion is what? The line voltage is root 3 times of the phase voltage. Right? So, in case of star connection, the line current and phase currents are same, but line voltage is root 3 times of a phase voltage. Now we will calculate the power consumed. Power consumed is nothing but what? 3 into power in each phase, because there are 3 phases. 3 phases. Right? So 3 into EPH into IPH cos phi, that is EPH is equals to EL by root 3 IL cos phi. Right? So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, 1 root 3, 1 root 3 cancels. So I will get root 3 EL IL cos phi. Right? So what is phi here? Phi is the angle between current and voltage, because it is a power factor. Power factor. Current between voltage and phase current. Right? So this is about what? Star connection, and for the point of examination, this derivation is very much important. Right? Thank you.